had a dream about you last night. Your eyes were shining so bright. Those lips and that bittersweet smile. I need this forever. Beautiful dream.
What's up, guys? Starting today's video. I know you can tell this camera looks different, and I'm actually recording on my iPhone X, and I'm gonna be unboxing my new clutch and flywheel. Now, if you see by the title, I'm gonna tell you guys why I went this route, and it's probably one of the best budget clutches that you can get, and I'm gonna put it on my car, and then I'm probably gonna review it after a couple thousand miles or so and beating on it here and there. So we'll see. So let's get to the unboxing. So here's the box. This came in pretty quick. I believe I ordered it, I forgot when I ordered it. It was pretty quick. It was a couple of days ago, and it was before I got the transmission. So it was either Thursday or Wednesday, and it came in today, and today is Saturday, so it came in pretty quick. The shipper was from LA, Cali, so that's where this box came from, and I guess he hooked it up with a 2-day shipping, which is awesome. I don't know why it says Sebastian right there. Maybe it's just a box branding, I don't know. And I got my scissors right here, so let's get into cutting. So here we are opening it, just by the installation guide. I went with XTD. I had an XTD stage 1 in my car. Here's an XTD clutch sticker. I never liked their stickers. I don't know why. Maybe it's the font for the XTD. It looks kind of funky. If it was a different font, I'd probably rock this. But I'd probably still rock it anyways. I'm gonna find a spot for that. Now get into, let's go with the small box. Get into this box. I don't know what this is. And this is, I believe, the bearings. Some type of bearing. Yeah, this is a throwout bearing, I believe. There's that. On the side here, with the clutch alignment tool right here, I believe. Oh shit! What I throw in the box? Set that to the side. And this is, I have no clue what this is. This is the clutch itself, I believe. XTD stage 3 with a 6-puck. And by looking at it, has some pretty weight to it. Here's the springs. XTD sticker. So I went with XTD because they're super cheap. They're pretty well known. It's been around for a while. A lot of people has problems with it. I haven't had a problem with it, so that's why I went to buy it again. And I believe this is the flywheel right here. It does feel pretty light. Feels like a 9-pound. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys, because I really don't want to open it because this probably won't be installed on my car for a while because it is snowing right now, and we got about like at least 4 inches of snow. That's what it looks like outside. But fuck it, I'm gonna just show you guys because this is still part of the clutch. Underneath is the flywheel down here. But let's see this first. Let's room on the bed. I'll rip that off. So that's this side. Now, where are my scissors? I'm gonna cut a little piece right here because I still want to put it back together. Because, like I said, I'm not gonna probably install it for a while. So here it is, XTD clutch. Looks like they just painted this, but it didn't turn out really good. Still dope. Whew. clean. Put that back together. So this is my first time ever buying clutches and flywheels. Because when I got the on my Civic build, I didn't really upgrade it that much. Besides motor wise and stuff like that. But for this build, I'm gonna go all out and really buy everything because the whole car is completely stock. So I want to make sure I get some good stuff for it. So here, this is the flywheel. I'm gonna check the teeth, see if everything is good through shipping. Yep, it does feel like a 9-pound. Something's leaking, or well, pretty sure since it was outside and the snow, if I leak through the box, but it's okay. Now this is the flywheel, and I got this for about 150 bucks, which is a really good price for a clutch and flywheel, light and flywheel also. I've been watching, or not watching, but reading up reviews on forums and stuff, and a lot of people have bad luck with it. Some people have good luck with it. Everybody says a hit and miss, so I hope I hit, because I had it before, but at stage 1, not at stage 3. But let's see how this goes. This is kind of hard to cut. Oh shit, I actually ripped the fucking whatever this is. Come on. There we go. 1, 2. And boom. Here is the flywheel. Now the teeth looks pretty good. Yeah, that's a pretty light flywheel, I'm not gonna lie. It does feel like about 9 pounds. I did want to go a little bit lighter, like a 7.5 Fidenza or whatever it's called. But like I said, this is my first time driving with a lightened flywheel, so I don't want to burn out the clutch yet. It was dropping really quick and stuff, so that'd be a lesson learned. The reasons why I went with this is because budget. It works. I used it in the past. This is gonna be my first time using a stage 3 clutch and a light and flywheel combo. I drove a 6-foot clutch car before, but I believe it was on a stock flywheel, not a super light one. So this is gonna be a different experience. But if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, or watch me struggle to take this back up because I'm really struggling right now. But if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, XTD. XTD is a bootleg XTD, as I believe, but I went with it because it works. So people have different opinions on it, but I'm going with this because it works. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I cannot repeat myself any more times. And yeah.